In peer-to-peer, you get champions to share their challenges and practical solutions, so you don't have to go and repeat the same mistakes. In peer-to-peer, you get people that will be sharing constraints similar to your own, that will be sharing solutions that have worked and those that have failed.
We are at Asante Akem South, and specifically at Obogu community, where we are engaging Asante Akem woodworkers.
We work mostly with farmers, with timber operators, and then with communities as well. We are deeply involved in land restoration.
We were chainsaw operators. I myself, a notorious one.
They told us that there are some companies who are ready to help them to plant trees so that they will replant where they have destroyed.
Spotokasem restoration and yes, I'll call Yano Kodia Niana Keke. Name Momono, I was say, Oma Krona Way Swedman, Omonyanti Asie. Na Omusa Adiana Way and Aya Omodia, Omonso Omokaho.
Yeah, General Assia, so you could not for a casa the day they say. Omra, Yana, Yan Cambum, Nayanya Adi.
So this project has been more or less a blessing to them. And then as I speak now, they are still engaged in the nursery work, which now they have many buyers.
In Juma Eba, I will say a flat crime be so Emma Omunya Bribia a day a sika. And I say impunto Eba o mabrabum.
And this project specifically, will help green the whole area and also paid jobs, as well as keep the vision of restoration alive.
This pattern that Tropenbos have bring is fabulous. This is the shortest way to green Ghana, to restore our local forest.
Yeah, restore local.